Morning light, starry nights. There's so much good in the world. Happy songs, sing along. These are the things I'm thankful for. Skipping stones, feeling known. The click of my key in the door. Summer rain on window panes. These are the things I'm thankful for. I would know just what to say if you asked me what my favorite is. Of all of the wonder in all of the world, you're at the top of my list. Holding hands.